So now I will explain the solution of differential equations with variable coefficients. There are two types of equations with variable coefficients. The first one we call it as linear Cauchy's linear differential equation. Second one is Legendre's linear differential equation. An equation of the form a naught x square y double dash plus a1 into xy dash plus a2y is equals to phi of x. This type of equation we call it as Cauchy's linear differential equation because along with the y double dash you can find an x square, along with the y dash you can find a x. These are the variable coefficients. How to solve these equations? We'll make the substitution t is equals to log x to base e or e power t is equals to x. So x y dash is equals to dy. X square y double dash will be d into d minus 1 into y, which is nothing but d square minus d into y. Now you can substitute these things in the given differential equation, so that we'll get this a naught d into d square minus d into y plus a1 into dy plus a2y is equals to phi of t. This on the right hand side also you should replace x by t. So we have reduced an equation with variable coefficients to an equation with constant coefficients. I will explain this by using an example, that is solve the equation x square into d square y by dx square minus 3x dy by dx plus 4y is equals to 1 plus x whole square. So use this substitution, t is equals to log x to base e or e power t is equals to x. X into dy by dx is equals to dy. X square into d square y by dx square will be t into d minus 1 into y, which is nothing but d square minus d. What is this capital D? That is d by dt. That is, we have replaced this independent variable x by another variable, that is t. Now you substitute these things in the given differential equation. So it becomes d square minus d into y, 3x into dy by dx, that is 3 dy plus 4y, 1 plus x means it is t. So 1 plus t. Right hand side apply a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Left hand side you take y common, d square minus d minus 3d plus 4 into y. 1 square is 1, e power t whole square will be e power 2t, this will be 2 e power t. So now m square minus 4m plus 4 is equals to 0. If you use the calculator, we will get the only one root, which means the same root is repeated twice. So 2 comma 2. What is the nature? The roots are real numbers and they are equal. Then complementary function will be yc is equals to c1 plus c2t into e power 2t. So therefore particular, now we will find the particular integral. The right hand side 1 plus e power 2t plus 2 e power t by t square minus 4d plus 4. Divide this into three terms, 1 by the denominator, e power 2t by denominator, 2 e power t by denominator. So take p1, 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4. Since numerator is a constant, I will put d is equals to 0. So 1 by 0 minus 0 plus 4. So p1 is 1 by 4. So now p2 is e power 2t by d square minus 4d plus 4. See here, since we have a numerator is e power 2t, we have to substitute d is equals to 2. When you substitute d is equals to 2, the denominator becomes 0 because 2 is a root of the auxiliary equation. So what I will do, I will write a t in the numerator, e power 2t by d square derivative is 2d, 4d derivative is 4. Now again if you substitute d is equals to 2, the denominator becomes 0. So therefore I will write I will make this t as t square e power 2t, 2d derivative will be 2. So therefore the p2 is t square e power 2t by 2. Now p3 is given by 2 e power t by d square minus 4d plus 4. Since here we have a e power t, we have to substitute d is equals to 1. So therefore 2 e power t by 1 square, that is d is 1 square minus 4 plus 4. So plus 4 and minus 4 gets cancelled, we'll get denominator will be 1. So therefore P3 is 2 e power t. So therefore particular integral will be, sorry, general solution will be C1 plus C2 t e power 2t plus 1 by 4 plus t square by 2 into e power 2t plus 2 e power t, where t is equals to log x to base e. So I'll explain another example, that is x square y double dash xy dash plus 9y equals 3x square plus sine 3 log x. Again same substitution, t is equals to log x, e power t is equals to x. Xy dash is dy, x square y double dash will be d square minus d into y. Substitute in the equation, it becomes d square minus d into y plus dy plus 9y, 3 e power t. So x is e power t, so therefore x square becomes e power t whole square, which is nothing but e power 2t. Sine 3 log x is t, so it will be sine 3t. Now plus d and minus d gets cancelled, left hand side is d square plus 9 equals 3 e power 2t plus sine 3t. So put d is equals to m. The auxiliary equation will be m square plus 9 equals 0. M square equals minus 9. M is plus or minus 3i. The nature of the roots purely imaginary. Therefore complementary function c1 cos 3t plus c2 sin 3t. Now particular integral, divide the right hand side by d square plus 9. So p1 will be 3 e power 2t by d square plus 9. Put d is equals to 2. So if we put d equals to, it is why we will put d equals to, because of e power 2t. 2 square will be 4 plus 9. So that is 3 e power 2t by 13. Now you take p2, that is sin 3t by d square plus 9. Whenever we have a sin at or a cos at, we always substitute d square equals minus a square. So therefore sin 3t means we should substitute d square is equals to minus 9. When you substitute d square equals minus 9, denominator becomes 0. So therefore you should write a t in the numerator and differentiate the denominator. D square derivative will be 2d, derivative of 9 will be 0. So now we have a d in the denominator, we should make it as d square. So therefore multiply it by d for both numerator and denominator. D sin 3t by d into d will be d square. D sin 3t means sin 3t derivative will be 3 cos 3t and d square will be minus 9. So 3 3s are 9. 3 into 2 will be 6. This is P2. So therefore general solution will be C1 cos 3t plus C2 sin 3t plus 3 e power 2t by 13, and t is equals to t cos t by 6. Put t is equals to log x, so that cy is equals to C1 cos 3 log x plus C2 sin 3 log x, and this sin e power 2t, t means log x minus uh, t is log x, cos 3t means cos 3 log x by 6. And you can observe this, e power 2 log x can be written as 2 log x is log x square, e power log x square will be x square, so that I will substitute here. So this is about the method.